Connect Shop. You can order and purchase new services online, or extend the existing services that are about to expire using the Škoda Connect portal. You are always informed prior to service expiration. If any service has expired, its validity can be extended by clicking on the tile of the relevant service. If not, the service can be extended as follows. Select User Profile, Garage, and then Order Prolongation. Then, you select the service to be extended and confirm it by clicking on the Add to Cart button. The cart contents will be displayed. The next step is filling out the invoice details, which are primarily taken over from the portal. The last step is choosing the payment method. You can pay by wire transfer or by card. In case of a card payment, the services are activated immediately. In case of a wire transfer, the services are activated once the sum is credited on the Škoda Auto account. The order summary is displayed as the last step of the process. To place the order, you must agree with the terms and conditions. Then, you receive an email confirming the order. As soon as the services are activated, you receive an email about the activation together with an invoice.